we're going to begin our two-step process for filling and frosting a red velvet cake. In this step, we have our cream cheese frosting. Now, here is my secret recipe, but with many of the red velvet recipes that you will find out there, they come with a frosting choice, so you can kind of pick and choose your own. Take our serrated knife, and we are going to cut the cake in half, first going around the cake, kind of scoring or marking the half so that it's nice and even, and then just cutting the cake all the way in half, being very careful not to cut yourself on the other side. If your cake is baked up very domey, you can always do that same technique right across the top to make a level surface. So you'll take your cake, top half off, and we'll fill it with our frosting. Nice couple dollops right in the middle. Our frosting spatula, smooth it out. And if it goes out over the edge of the cake, that's fine, because you're going to be using the same frosting for the outside as well. Nice and smooth. Again, you don't want it too domey. Top back on, center. And then this is what we're going to call masking. Just to pick up any of these crumbs, you do a really thin layer of your frosting all the way around, and then we'll stick it in the fridge for about 5 or 10 minutes so that it can kind of set up and harden, and we'll clean up our crumbs so as not to get into our final product.